Well, the new floor pans are here from CJ Pony Parts. I went ahead and got the short front floor pans for both the driver and passenger side, as you can see here. Went ahead and marked out in chalk an outline of where the new floor pans will fit. As you can see, it's a whole lot more than I really need to replace, because that's the only hole that I've got, the only rust. However, at least on the passenger side, I've got a few other little holes in it. As you can see where I've got these crosses here that are, I don't think, supposed to be there. So I'm just going to go ahead and replace both floor pans on the driver and passenger side from the seat base riser all the way forward. So essentially just cutting out exactly where I've got marked on both the passenger side and the driver's side. Alright y'all, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment below about things that you might like to see in future videos, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.